good evening, guys, from Kisii, Kenya. You can see today it has been raining, and you can see how this place looks like. Even right now, we are still having some rain, and it is in the evening. It's around 17:42 hours, guys, East African time. So the man is going to just walk you through this place. You can see where we are right now. I'm to show you how Kisii indeed is growing all the time. Now your man is going to walk through this road here, so that you can see like what's happening around this big town, which is expected to be a city in a minute from now. Guys, at least that people there did me some justice. He did not splash the water on me. I don't know. Somebody somewhere is looking with their work here. So I'm going to show you through this way. You can see how the town looks like. Water is running on top of the Tamas road. Meaning that the drainage is on a very bad state. That is the reason as to why the water there is running on top of the road, as you can see, guys. The place looks messed up. That Buddha guy is there, almost going with my eye. Maybe I need to be a bit cautious. But this Buddha guy is, they don't know like there is any rules to be followed on the roads. But maybe your man was on the wrong. So let us continue walking through this town and see like. Let us just see what is happening at this place, okay? That is my book. I think you can look there. That is Umoja. That's one of the iconic buildings here in Kisii, and actually one of the tallest, if not the tallest building around. That's a lot of capacity. So your man is going to take you through this place here, through this town, so that we can see like what is happening. Okay. Remember, your man lost the holding stick for his GoPro camera. Now I'm just walking with my camera using my bare hands. It's a bit hassle, guys. It's a bit hassle doing it using my hands. See on the other side there? That is Twin Towers. Building with the blue glasses behind there, behind the red building there. You have the Ouru Superstore, guys. Not the Ouru Super, Ouru Plaza. So this building used to be the tallest in Kisii for so long, for many years. This used to be the tallest building in Kisii. You see there, guys, a rocket driving school on the other side. As well, your man is taking driving classes right now. So let us continue walking in town and see like what we are likely to see in this town of Kisii. Remember, it is in the evening. People maybe are now rushing to their homes. Okay? People will be rushing to their various homes. And the man is here. So you need like the trucks to carry your luggage around. Here you can find them. This is the section where you find the trucks. Okay? This is the section where you find the trucks, guys. You can see them there. There is trucks, guys. You can see the kind of footwork that has been done by our so-called engineers. Now water is running on top of this is the tarmac road, and in no time we are going to lose this road. Okay? It's unfortunate, guys.
And the tire?
But the man must continue walking to the town. Because now that is my business over here. Over here, that is my business, guys. That is my business. But unfortunately, the rain seems to be hurting. So your man might be again forced to take a cover. Your man might be forced to take a cover, guys.
Let's go!
Here's an evening walk in KISII Town, guys. Let's see how the town is doing right now. But please continue watching my videos, guys. We are almost being monetized. And I started feeling that we are almost there. But we cannot be there unless you watch my videos, guys. We are only remaining with 700 watch hours for us to be monetized, guys. Please make it happen. Make it happen, guys. To your handsome boy here, man Victor, guys. The lion himself. Boo, boo, boo. So it's the humble request, guys, for you to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so you can grow. As you can see, there is business. Business is going on now very well in this town. You can see there. You have different type of people in this town right now at this given time. Remember, it is an evening now after the rain. So you can see, guys, remember this people there carrying rogas. They have not paid me to advertise for them, guys, so I'm not going to talk more about them. Let us focus on the road. Maybe, guys, what do you like feel about the buildings of KISII? Maybe you should tell me something about your feeling on KISII. Okay. I'm one of the people who has been campaigning for KISII to be given city status. But when I see something like that, I feel bad, guys, because I know my points now are being deducted. My points are not being deducted. Otherwise, if you can look at the people, it seems like the people are set for KISII to be a city. Okay? For the common citizens of or the residents of KISII Town, we'll be working towards this place becoming a city without them even knowing, because they are hard workers. You can see somebody roasting maize even up to this late. I mean, this is what it is, guys. I don't know if you can see that building there. You see Mwalimu Sacco Plaza. then you know where your money is. If you are in Kisii, you know where your money is for sure. That one now you have to know. The man is just walking in town. Walking in town, guys. That is through the main street of Kisii in the evening. Guys, I intend to take you to a different location very soon. Some construction works are going on there. This used to be a bank, I don't know. Maybe. Guys, this place is where we used to buy selling things. This one looks abandoned. Okay. Let us continue, guys. There's a place somewhere up here where you can find a lot of young boys like those. They are using free Wi-Fi on that side. That's where you show those guys there. The free Wi-Fi. You see how that's a city down here. You get to use free Wi-Fi. It is what it is, guys. Man today is wearing some boots, which I bought yesterday. The boots are very very strong and even very comfortable. But they are a bit heavy, guys. I don't think wearing them I will walk very far. Or maybe because today I'm a bit tired. Maybe because your man is a bit tired. Maybe that is why. I should not. Guys, I remember something. We have a bank here. A bank. Which is we have a bank here. We have a bank at my left there. At my left, if you can see, guys. And that is why I had to behave that way, in a nervous way. That is the central bank, and they restrict taking videos. That side there is the Central Bank of Kenya. So your man was not remembering, guys, until I found myself there when I saw the soldier. When I remembered, guys, when I remembered, I've seen somebody that I know on that motorbike there. They have motorbike there. And that is why I'm talking about that building there, Central Bank of Kenya. You see, it's why I had to stop recording when I reached that place, because I did not want to find myself in hot soup with those guys there, those security personnel. But at least now we are past those guys. So maybe I should not now be worried about anything. You can see, guys, parents there. He's on that vehicle. It's one of the celebs in Kenya who is in that vehicle there. As you see, look at this Buddha guys. They don't follow the rules. Like now they are just driving on the sidewalk using the overtaking on the wrong side, and they can just come and knock you from behind, and there's nothing you can do about it. Okay, that's the unfortunate thing. Once they knock you, they will disappear for sure. Once they knock you guys, they will just disappear. Those Boda guys are something else. They are something else, guys. You can see. I've never seen a vehicle using the sidewalks drive. But the Boda guys, they don't care. See? They are overtaking on the wrong side. As you see. They are overtaking on the wrong side. You see another one. There he goes, there he goes. And another one. So it is a common behavior of these Boda guys. They don't stick to the driving rules. They just overlap everywhere, including on the wrong side. Okay? You see, that is another one. That is another one. And another one. So many of them. Okay. They are doing it on the sidewalk. And in the process they are overtaking the vehicles on the wrong side, which is very dangerous. Because if those guys on the vehicle, let us say somebody wants to go this direction and the Boda is on the wrong side, they are not like allowed to overtake on the wrong side. So we can easily have an accident. So unfortunate, guys, so unfortunate. And your man, because of concentrating with now the video, I might be forced now to cross this road where we don't have like the zebra crossing. It is supposed to be somewhere there, but it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. The man needs to be a bit careful here now. Yeah, I have maneuvered through that vehicle to that side, guys. I'm peacefully close it to the other side now of you can see, guys, we are in this now petrol station. I'm looking for a friend of mine, Lucas, the traveler. We did with him a video yesterday, and that video for some reason disappeared. So he has told me that he's on the other side. So I'm looking for him. Guys. I hope I will find him somewhere before we reach the other side. That is my hope, guys. That is my hope. Let's see. People are doing their business as usual despite the rain. And again, this is what makes me hungry. When I'm seriously campaigning for Kisii to be given city status, when I see litter like this, I don't feel happy, guys. I don't feel happy. I see a road that is red, that way. Your man is not happy, guys. Your man is not happy. Your man is not happy. Guys, let it not be thought like your man likes to complain a lot. No. Maybe it is because I've learned over time to call a spoon and a spade a spade. Because when I see water like this on the highway, this is where I'm supposed to walk. I can't feel good, guys. I can't feel good because I know, guys, that the kind of taxes that we pay, we deserve better than this. We deserve better than this, guys. For sure, your man Victor deserves better than this. Okay? Your man Victor deserves better than this, guys. I'm maneuvering behind vehicles because of the state of the road. So your man is forced to walk on the dirt and everything. But I hope he is on where he told me. Lucas told me that he's on the other side. Maybe I will find him there. That is my hope. But for the meantime, let your man continue walking you through this level to see. We are looking for him. So he told me where I can find him somewhere there, ahead there. Maybe what can you tell us about Kisii by this time? What is your feeling about this town? For me, I feel like the town is almost ripe for it to be given a city status. Except that there's a few challenges like the roads and everything. Which for sure, if the local government wants this matter to be taken serious, maybe somebody should give them a awakening call and tell them that they are candidates to be given a city status any time from now. So they need to pull up their socks for sure. They need to pull up their socks, guys. You cannot make your man to walk on dirt like this. And when I'm advocating for this town to be given city status, okay? And we also need to expand these roads. You cannot be walking on narrow roads like this, guys. I believe that we can do better than this. Because the workforce is here. You can see these young people here. So we can let me just continue showing you around of this place. That lady there was making a phone call. Somebody was burning something there. I don't know what it is. Okay, I don't know what it is, guys. But you can see Kisii has got beautiful ladies. Beautiful ladies, guys. You can see them. They are coming from there ahead of us. Tell me if they are not. Guys, tell me if they are not beautiful. The ladies who have gone past us now. So are the kind of ladies that you will find in Kisii if you come here at any given time. Let it be known that that is the way things are, guys. That is the way things are. We also have the web materials from ahead of us. But see, like this one who is wearing spectacles. Okay, guys. You have all around ladies. That's what I was telling you guys. That's what your man Victor was telling you. You can see these vehicles now are heading to town. Your man has to go and look as a traveler and head back to town. You can see it's like this vehicle here that is a Moram Road. It can't be Moram Road when it is in the middle of the town, guys. And for sure, we are serious with our candidature for even city status. We'll have to be serious about it. Okay? We'll have to be serious about it, guys. We'll have to be serious about it. Guys, you see, those are the vehicles coming from the sides of Goris, maybe. Yeah, there's something is happening here. The man may not be able to. I should show you what's happening from the other side. Can you see? some mechanic work going on there. Maybe a man should have gone there and learned 1 or 2 things. Because right now I'm doing a driving course, guys. Doing a driving course. Your man needs to engage himself so that we can know like what is happening. You know, when you are becoming a driver, you should have some basic mechanical like skills, because you may find yourself in a situation where you are the only person who can like if you find yourself with a broken vehicle somewhere in the middle of the forest, you don't have to go to look for a mechanic. When you have the skills, guys, you can fix whatever that you are doing and go. That is what I'm telling you, guys. That is what I'm telling you about this place here. I don't know where to see it. The lights on that vehicle are so cool, guys. The car looks so beautiful. Maybe your man Victor here should consider buying such a vehicle. There's something happening with that car there. Maybe it has broken down. That car there, guys. Something is happening with it. And just like that, it's going to bring some. Yeah, maybe now it is working. Or whoever is driving, they will be Lana, who doesn't know what to do, guys. I don't know. The man should be towards the other way. Maybe start a new vlog. I want to go over and show you the sign that is leading to this university. Before I do anything. Guys, this road is so busy. It's very hard for your man to cross the road at any given time. It's not easy, guys, for your man to cross this road. The road is so busy. The road is so busy. But your man is going to look for maybe after this car. Yeah. As you know, as usual, border guys, they can never give you like a. Maybe now I've seen where I can go through. It's maybe behind this vehicle here. Yes. Guys. There's a lot of work just crossing the road. So there's no zebra crossing anywhere. No zebra crossing, guys. Then you want to be given a city status. Why are you letting your man down? Why are you letting me down, Kisii? No zebra crossing? That is a bit serious, guys. Maybe they have read it. And I don't know if Lucas the driver is on the other side. Guys, maybe I should cut this video here. And it has been an amazing time being with you guys. Till next time. Now you can see the sunset is there, very beautiful. Bye for now, guys. Thank you very much.